Hello, I'm Chef Michael McDermott. This is Chef Michael's Food Hacks, and today we're making French cheese omelet. Yum! Hello! Making a French omelet this morning, and as I was just saying, French cheese omelet. That's what my son requested for breakfast, so I thought I'd show you guys. I also got some sausage going over here, veggie sausage. I wanted to show you though, look at this cool thing. It's a splatter guard, so it keeps splattering the stove. And I got this cool thing right here I wanted to show you. This is a sprayer for oil instead of using something that's got aerosol in it. You just keep refilling it, and I've got extra virgin olive oil in here. So anyway, I'm spraying the pan, especially the sides, because the omelet's going to go up there. I'm going to put a little bit of butter in here, because I like it. Push that around the pan. Now I've got the pan on medium, all right? And you want to make sure that you work quickly, because eggs coagulate at 140 degrees, which means they cook very quickly. So I've already scrambled my eggs, a little bit of almond milk, and I want to show you what I do here. I'm going to turn this heat up a little bit. This is what I do. I'm going to push this, okay, to the middle. This is so that omelet cooks more evenly, all right? I'm going to move it around the pan a little bit. And I'm going to season it. My son likes salt and pepper. You can put fresh herbs in here, which is absolutely delicious. A little salt and pepper. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to let this sit a second. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in the broiler, okay? And we're going to cook top of the omelet, about 3/4. And I'll show you what that looks like. But the broiler is the key with these French omelets. Then you don't get it burned on the bottom, and you get it cooked all the way. So now I just pulled this out of the broiler, and look at how nice and done, about 3/4 the omelet is. This is so you get it done and you don't burn the omelet, and also then you don't have an omelet that's not cooked all the way through. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put some cheese on here, okay? I'm going to melt the cheese real quick, and I'll show you how we turn it over and put it on the plate. Okay, now we got the omelet. It's done. The cheese is melted. Now I'm going to tip the pan a little bit to help me, and I'm just going to flip it over. That's it. Look at that. French omelet. French cheese omelet. Yummy. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on the plate for my son who's waiting. And there you go. There's French cheese omelet. Lickety split. I'm Chef Michael McDermott. This is Chef Michael's Food Hacks. Stay tuned for the next Chef Michael's Food Hacks. And remember, when you eat well, you live well. Visit our partner on Facebook, Borderlands Market and Produce on Wheels Without Waste.